Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am bringing you guys a carrot cake. Yes, we're going to make a carrot cake. Let me move you guys back a little bit. And then I'll bring you guys for. Yes, guys, sorry for the little mess in the sink. I was doing, the pecans. I was crushing it in my Vantage hand little chopper here, and I had some measuring things there. Well, guys, as you guys can see, the back of me, my counter, I have all my items that I will be using in the recipe. You guys can see. Um, we're going to be making a carrot cake. They have different recipes of carrot cakes. I have my recipe here, my notebook. Um, Guys, I'm going to tell you all the ingredients right quick, what you're going to need, and I'm also going to list them in the description box. You're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of fine sea salt, or if you don't have it, when I'm talking about fine sea salt, it's like very grated sea salt, or you could use regular salt. That's fine. 1.5 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1.25 cups of canola oil or vegetable oil, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of lightly packed brown sugar, which I have back here, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra, which I have my vanilla extra right here, 4 large eggs, 3 cups of granulated peeled carrots. Guys, I shred my own carrots. I shred my own carrots because when you buy the bag of carrots, honestly, to me, those little bags that you buy, granulated or shredded carrot, they have no flavor. It tastes just like water. So I'm like, nope. I like to have carrots, so I buy the pack of carrots and I shred it, and you could get the taste of the carrots. Um, 1 cup of coarsely chopped pecans. Guys, you could buy your pecan chopped or you could buy them whole, whatever is to your convenience. But in my carrot cake, I will be using a combination of pecans and walnuts. So which I already have back here, which I did chop my walnuts. Um, and half a cup of raisin. That's optional if you like it. I'm making this carrot cake for my daughter-in-law asked me for carrot cake. She doesn't like raisins, but she's been asking me for this cake since she made my son, and I have never made it. So I'm going to do it today, and I'm also going to show you how to do the cream cheese frosting for you to for your cake, guys. Right quick, you're going to I have all the instructions back here as well, guys. Combine your um did I tell you yeah, the baking soda. Okay, anyways, guys, I'll make sure you have all the ingredients in the description box. You're gonna combine your flour with your I haven't done this in years. You're gonna combine the flour with the baking soda, the salt, and the cinnamon, and you're going to whisk that together. Okay, guys? So combine where I put it? The baking soda right there, your cinnamon, and your salt, and you're going to whisk that together. Okay, you're going to whisk that together. Oh, and you're also gonna need 4 large eggs, which I forgot to get out of the refrigerator. So you got all those ingredients combined together. When I do the other ingredients, I'm gonna come back at you and I'm gonna show you. All right, guys, in your large bowl, you're gonna combine your oil. Make sure you get all of it in there. Your oil. So there you're going to add your packed brown sugar and your granulated sugar. Okay? And you're going to mix that together. Mm-hmm. Going to mix that together. And to that, you're going to add your eggs one at a time. And you're going to mix them together. The reason why we add them one at a time is because they incorporate better. So, going to add your eggs one at a time. Okay, I'm gonna add all my eggs, and when I finish doing that, I'm gonna come back at you guys. Alright guys, a reminder, this video is part of an open collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Guys, I added my vanilla extra, and this collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah, Cabassa Home Living, and Buckeye Girls with and Things. Guys, you're going to add your flour 3-part way. So like that, you could combine it slowly. So you're going to stir your flour in there until everything it gets incorporated. So I'm going to pause you guys, and then when I add the other ingredients, I'm going to bring you guys right back, because I'm going to be folded in to combine this together. Okay? And guys, this is a very simple cake, you know? Very simple. There's no way that you can mess this cake up. So I used to be like that too, and not want to do anything. You guys never see me post desserts, but I don't know. This is what I'm going to be doing from now on. Well, if at least you guys want me to cook something specifically, just let me know. So I'm going to incorporate the rest of the batter, and I'm gonna come back at you when I add my pecans and my raisins. Add your carrots and your pecan and combine everything together, guys. So with this, I'm going to use the spatula and combine everything really good, guys. All right. So I'm going to combine this, and then I'm going to be using two 8-inch pans, round. So I'm going to be making a double layer. That's why I'm making my own frosting, because some of my frosting is going to be used for the filling. So all right guys, it's nice and it's really good and combined. So, and if you like, you could add nutmeg. I didn't add nutmeg. I follow my recipe. I didn't add anything else, but you could tweak it to any way that you like. Make it your own recipe, guys. You know, this is why I'm sharing recipe with you guys. Make it your own. Do whatever you like. You can add something and take something out. Make it your own. Something that your family would like, that you would like. But if you like carrot cake, and remember, it calls for raisin, but I'm not using raisins. And also, a lot of people like to add pineapple on a carrot cake. I don't think a carrot cake should have pineapple. I grew up eating carrot cake, and my mother never add pineapple to it, so I am planning to start doing that. Anyway, guys, you see how delicious that look? So if you like, you could add more cinnamon if you like it darker, But anyway, you're going to bake this at 350 degrees until the toothpick comes out dry or it springs back up. Okay, guys? So I'm going to come back at you. I'm waiting for my cream cheese to get room temperature. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do the frosting. Okay? It's very simple. So I'll be right back. Oh, and make sure, I'm using 2-inch non-stick, but I'm still going to grease my pans. You could use spray, or you could use the same oil that you use. And also I'm going to be using parchment paper at the bottom, even though I know they're not going to stick, but I am still going to do that because since this is going to be stuff on the middle, so I don't want it, I want to make sure to be perfect. All right, guys, so I'm going to get to that, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to do your frosting. All right, guys, my cake is in the oven. So what I'm going to do now, wash my, clean my counter and wash my utensils. And then I'm going to come back at you and show you how to make your frosting. For your frosting, that I remember for the top of my head, you're going to need a cream cheese of your choice. I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese. You're going to need some whipping cream and some powdered sugar, and then we're gonna make a nice creamy frosting because you know the carrot cakes, cream cheese frosting. So guys, I shall return after I clean this mess. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, for your frosting, I have my block of cream cheese here at room temperature, and I beat it a little bit just to break it in pieces. Then you're gonna need 1.5 cups of powdered sugar of your choice and 1/3 of a cup of whipping cream. I'm using Great Value whipping cream. So you're going to add, I'm not even gonna measure it because I already know, but basically, you know what, just to be on the safe side. So, wait a minute, my cup is wet. Make sure I have a dry cup. We're gonna need 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. So, and when you incorporate it with your cream cheese, add it little by little because this is a 2 cups, so 1.5 cups. You're gonna add it little by little, and you're gonna start mixing it on low speed because you don't want it to go all over the kitchen. So since you guys know what it is, so I'm not gonna mix it all the way because I don't want you guys to hear all that racket. So I'm going to mix the powdered sugar, then I'm gonna come back at you when I'm adding the whipping cream. So guys, the frosting is done. There you go. Guys, this frosting is so delicious. Oh my goodness gracious. So meanwhile, let's check the cake. So I don't know if you guys can see from there. No, you guys cannot see. I'm gonna bring you guys closer. Bring you guys down a little bit. Guys, look at that cake. Oh my goodness. So it has maybe about another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out of the oven and let it cool down for 15 minutes until it's nice and cool, and then we'll put the frosting on it. And I will see you at the end. Yeah, guys, our cake is almost done. Guys, don't be afraid to get in the kitchen and try different recipes and try some new things. Guys, there are so many recipes that I know. I used to manage a kitchen for 21 years, so I even know how to make homemade pizza. I don't think there's nothing that I cannot cook. But yeah, guys, give it a try. Don't be afraid. all you could do is mess up. But if you don't try, you're never gonna learn. So, you know, when my kids have their birthday, I used to make their own birthday parties, making their own cakes. So, yeah, guys, um, the cake is almost done. So I'm about to put my toothpick. You could either do two ways to check it. Use a toothpick to make sure it's done, or if you touch it on top and it bounces back, that means your cake is done. So guys, let me get to the cake and then I'll be right back. Well, our cake is out of the oven. Now we're gonna wait 15 minutes before we take it out of the pan, so you can tell it's done. I had a little bit more butter on this pan than this one, but it's okay because this is gonna be a 2-layer cake. So that little pouch right there is better because it will get full of frosting and it will have enough in the center. My frosting is done. Meanwhile, I had the frosting in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna come back at you when I put the cake together. All right, guys, I don't know about you, but I like to take out the paper out of my cake when it's warm. A lot of people wait until it's cold, but I take mine when it's warm. It's easier for me. So now I got them here both cooling down. Like that, I could put my frosting on that one and then put this one on the top. And that's it, guys. Very simple. And then I will bring you guys back for a taste test. All right. So I'll be right back with the final results. Well, guys, the cake is done. I just put the frosting on the center and now on the top. I'm going to bring it a little bit to the sides, not all the way, because usually a carrot cake, you just put as much frosting as you want. So that's it, guys. That's all it is to it. So I'm going to spread my frosting and I'm going to show you the end. Well, guys, I am done. And like I say, it's very simple. So here it is. My carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. Now you put it in the refrigerator, you let it set. I'm not going to cut a piece and show it to you guys because this will be cutting tomorrow. At least my husband otherwise wants a piece. Then I come back right back at you. All right? And I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. But don't go yet. I don't know if I'm going to come up with another piece. Guys, right now we're not gonna cut it. We're gonna wait until tomorrow that my daughter comes over. So check out the photos that I will post tomorrow on my community tab, and you'll see how delicious this cake turned out. See you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.